Start your day off right. Breakfast secrets for weight loss revealed. Morning breakfast plays an essential role in a weight loss strategy on the nutritional call. It's crucial to focus of the meal and how it fits into your overall dietary and lifestyle habits, consistency, balance, and individual preferences. A key to achieving and maintaining a healthy weight. Here are a list of foods for weight loss. I will share you morning diet plan for weight loss which promotes a feeling of fullness. Number 1. Oatmeal. Rich in fiber, especially beta-glucan, and reduces hunger, reducing the likelihood of mid-morning snacking. Number 2. Greek yogurt, and can increase feelings of fullness which can help in weight management. Number 3. Berries. Low in calories but high in fiber and antioxidants while providing essential nutrients. Number 4. Eggs. A great source of high-quality protein and reduce calorie intake later in the day. Nutrients that can help regulate metabolism. Number 5. Avocado toast. Avocados are rich in healthy fats and fiber which can promote satiety. Pairing them with whole grain bread adds complex carbohydrates and prevent overeating, providing a balanced meal that keeps you full longer. Number 6. Nuts and seeds. High in protein, healthy fats, and fiber, they can help reduce appetite. Examples include almonds, which can also stabilize blood sugar levels. It contains complex carbohydrates and fiber and keep you full. Number 7. Whole grains. It can help regulate blood sugar levels, preventing spikes and crash that lead to cravings. Number 8. Smoothies. Why they help. A well-balanced smoothie can include a mix of fruits, vegetables, protein, and healthy fats. This combination can provide essential nutrients. Number 9. Bananas. Bananas can help you feel full and provide a quick energy boost. Number 10. Green tea. Green tea can also improve brain function by providing a natural energy boost without the calories. By incorporating these foods into your morning routine and satisfying start to your day, aiding in weight loss and overall health. In this ability to regulate blood sugar levels, foods like whole grain bread, avocado toast, and nuts and seeds provide a slow release of energy, preventing spikes in crash that can trigger cravings and hunger pangs. This steady supply of energy helps you stay focused and productive throughout the morning, reducing dashingly the likelihood of reaching for unhealthy snacks. Incorporating smoothies into your breakfast can be lasting impact on your weight loss goals. A versatile way to pack in various nutrients, making it easier to consume a balanced diet without extra effort, ultimately making mindful choices about your morning foods can have a long and overall well-being. By prioritizing high-fiber, protein-rich foods and avoiding empty calories, you set yourself up for success each day. Green tea can also be a beneficial addition, providing a metabolism boost and enhancing fat burning. Embracing these healthy habits not only aids in weight management but also fosters a sustainable, balanced lifestyle that supports your health in the long run. Monday. Greek yogurt with mixed berries and a tablespoon of honey. Tuesday. Scrambled egg whites with spinach, tomatoes, and a slice of whole grain toast. Wednesday. Overnight oats with almond milk, chia seeds, and sliced bananas. Thursday. Smoothie with spinach, kale, pineapple, banana, and a scoop of protein powder. Friday. Avocado toast on whole grain bread with a poached egg. Saturday. Cottage cheese with fresh peaches and a sprinkle of flax seeds. Sunday. Quinoa breakfast bowl with almonds, blueberries, and a dash of cinnamon. Like, share, and subscribe our channel for more weight loss tips.